Rice milk soap benefits your skin in multiple ways. Yeah, rice milk soap could give your skin flawless skin. Hey guys, how y'all doing? I hope you're doing very fine. Welcome to my channel. This is Yamin's Beautiful. Welcome guys. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, please do well to hit that subscription button and the bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. On this video today, we are going to be talking about rice milk soap. Do you know that rice milk soap benefits your skin in so many ways? Yeah, you can use rice milk soap to get flawless skin. Yeah, to get flawless skin. Yeah, so many of these Thailand, so many of these Korean products, their beauty secret is rice and milk. So before I show you this rice milk soap I'm talking about, there's so many rice milk soap in the market, but this one has been tested and trusted. Let's get into the benefits first. If you see me looking down, just know that I'm looking at my book. Yeah, I wrote down most of these things. Okay, so the benefits of rice milk soap on your skin. Yeah, first of all, it does have skin lightening effect. It moisturizes your skin and leaves it feeling soft and supple. Yeah, that's what rice milk soap does to your skin. It's a wonderful blend, rice and milk. Okay, I want to say that this soap can be used by all skin types, be it oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin. All skin types can use rice milk soap and reap the benefits of it. Yeah, it's suitable for everyone. Yeah, you can also use it on your face and your body. There are some soaps that you cannot use on your face. Yeah, but this particular one you can use on your face and your body. That means you can use all over your body. And this particular rice and milk soap contains sunscreen, which means it has some form of sun protection. It contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin A and vitamin B. Guys, keep watching so that I unveil this soap to you. This soap has anti-aging properties. It fights wrinkles. It fights acne on your skin. This soap is ma. I can't even say. So, this is the soap. It's from the range of Veetgold products. Yeah, they have so many types of, but this one has been tested. This one has been tried. This one is excited I am at unveiling this soap. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This particular soap is good. Yeah, it does all what it says it does. It fights acne. It fights blemishes, dark spots. It removes excessive dead skin cell buildup. Yes, truly. You can even use it as a mild exfoliant, which will help remove excessive dead skin buildup on your skin. This soap is good. Any skin type, any complexion can use this soap. It will not whiten you. Forget about the fact that they wrote here extreme whitening plus. They didn't do that. I have a dark person I recommended it for. It's so lovely. That's the skin is flawless, but it's not white. The skin is flawlessly beautiful. So I can recommend this for any skin, should I say color? Color, any skin type. So what I can say about this rice and milk soap is that first of all, it moisturizes your skin. It suits sunburned skin. It helps tackle acne and pimple problems. It also clears any dead skin cell buildup on your skin. If you have used this rice and milk soap, then drop your comments about this soap. Was it good on your skin? Did it actually do what it said it does? Just drop it in the comment section below. So it could help a lot of people out there. Yeah. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video. But watch out for my next video, which is going to be on rice water on the skin. Yeah, it's going to be very interesting. I'm going to do a whole research on it and I'm going to put it out there for you guys. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button. Thumbs up please, thumbs up, and share to your friends and family. See you on another video. Bye.